Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect DEXScreener to Trust Wallet. So first of all, you need to open your Trust Wallet app, and now the interface of Trust Wallet has changed a little bit. So if you want to get that, make sure that you update your Trust Wallet application. Now, once you are on the home page of Trust Wallet, simply tap on the Discover tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to tap on DEXs. Now by default you need to try to find if the DEXScreener is available over here, but as you can see that I think DEXScreener is not available here. So you need to use the search bar in the top and you need to simply search for DEXScreener. Now once you search for DEXScreener here, you just have to simply tap on the search icon and it will redirect you in google.com. So on Google you just have to simply confirm it and you will be landed on the website of DEXScreener. Now once you are on DEXScreener, you just have to simply tap on the connect option to connect your Trust Wallet account with your DEXScreener account, and this way you will be able to establish the connection between these two. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a super thanks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.